The national capital has once again recorded an AQI in the severe category for the third consecutive day. Right now, according to CPCB Sameer app, the AQI stands at 457. As many as 4 stations have recorded an AQI of 500. Now we are at the Akshardham flyover and we'll try to show you the visuals, not just AQI, but also we are seeing that the visibility has been impacted because of the dense smog that can right now be seen in the national capital. We can literally see that the Akshardham temple has disappeared from here, which generally used to be visible, but because of the low visibility, reducing temperatures and calm wind speed, we are seeing that this kind of situation here can be seen here. It is impacting the vehicular movement because we are clearly seeing that this is not the first day where such dense smog has been seen in the Delhi NCR region. Not just Delhi, but also we are seeing that the northern belt of India is right now witnessing this kind of fog here. We are seeing that the government and the authorities have imposed the strictest anti-pollution curbs under GRAB 5, and the schools are directed to go fully hybrid. Junior senior classes up to class 9 and also class 11 will follow hybrid mode. Half of Delhi's workforce to work from home, and also we are seeing that the government, municipal and private offices in Delhi has been directed to operate with 50% staff while rest of them working from home. Truck entry in Delhi has been stopped. Also there is a strict ban on goods vehicle, light commercial vehicles coming from outside in Delhi other than EVs, CNGs or BS6 diesel vehicles are not allowed to enter the capital except for essential services.